Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Finlight, Financial Literacy in Tamil, that my language is. This video I will speak to in English because of my ideology go for any other language, particularly my channel is doing for Tamil only, my local languages, my own language in Tamil I will doing that one. So I translate in English means because another people also is out of Tamil Nadu people cannot understand Tamil, so I try to speak in English. Okay, just don't worry about, sorry about my English, you just understand my content. Okay, nowadays everybody need a money because of you want a good surrounding, you want to go good school, you want a good college, you want a good marriage style, lifestyle. If you anything you want means you want a money for spending purpose, and everything you need a money for so I try to for some ideas and tips, my personal experience I will speak. Compared to me, you guys are anybody watching means you are a better solution, better experience, technique, ideas is having. But my point of view, somebody is there, middle class people. I want to get the middle class people lifetime is happiest life. You want to live a happiest people. In India's most of the middle class are facing a problem, and in sleeping time also they were happily not sleeping. They will thinking of overthinking, that only happening. That's why I will speak to these languages. You can understand out of Tamil Nadu. You can understand my content, my ideas, and you use your mind relaxing. Okay. First of all, middle class people mostly facing in debt. Debt is most injurious to health. My part of view says is the disease. Debt is the disease. So first of all, this video will go for how to destroy your debt, how to overcome the financial freedom. So first of all, you think debt is nothing but, okay. If you example you have 10 lakhs debts you have means how to plan like this, which interest. First of all, you pay is interest, absolutely you pay for, you can take from your friends, your relative, banks, every and all. You can which is the 5%, 6%, 3%. You go for first clear 5% of debts you can clear. First of all, you think about the mountain debts like a mountain. This mountain, somebody said you crash the mountain, but you think, oh, this much amount, how can I finish and demolish? Not possible. Yeah, nothing is possible. You can think, you can different ideas is there. Somebody taking small equipment and breaking mountains. Sometimes some people are taking from crackers and they cracking. Somebody using JCB, they may be. So only you can thinking to how to clear your debt in your ideas, your technique. Okay, suppose you have example 10 lakh you debts you having means first of all you go for good paid job, you can go for earning, for job you can go first. Second option is business. Already 10 lakh debt is there. How can you see is how can possible to doing a business? Don't worry, is possible. You can go for example per month minimum and maximum you go for 35 to 40,000 rupees. You can go for one good job, high paid job. First clear if you have 10 lakh debt means first clear 5 lakh debts. You should be clear. Then you come to business. Short business is there. Now go for a good job and decided some vision, some short term goal and long term goal. Closely tell, maybe you can take 2 years, no problem. Slowly you can clear everything. Then you go for business. You can up to 2 to 3 years you can settle. Minimum within 5 years you can reach this very well. Try once in your life. Great achievement is happening. Nothing is impossible. You can do means something is happened really. If you nothing do, only thinking means nothing will be happen. So do yourself, believe yourself, do something. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you nobody nothing to still know, subscribe means subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see in whatever I will do in same languages. I will try to same I will in English. Okay, again I will sorry for my English. Okay.